Hello and welcome to my first video. Today I want to show you my first Unity project and yeah, let's start. My name is Dave and I have no game dev or programming background, so I had no idea what I was doing. I'm currently studying communication science, so yeah, that has nothing to do with games. Maybe with marketing and marketing games and yeah, but not really. So yeah, I had really no idea what I was doing, but I loved watching game dev videos, tutorials and devlogs of other indie game devs. It was so much fun that I just had to start. And as you can see in the left upper corner, it says Brecky's tutorial 2. Yeah, I started with a simple Brecky's project, Brecky's tutorial, and I started doing something like my own game out of it. I learned a lot of this tutorial, but I wanted to do my own game. So I changed big parts, searched for other tutorials to even improve it, and that's what I got so far. As you can see, we are playing a little cube in a cube world with cube particles and a cube road and everything out of cubes. The name of the game is Block Run. Cube Run would be better, I guess. But yeah, you simply have to run and dodge all the other cubes, and the higher your score gets, the more difficult is the game. Yeah, it's fun, I guess. My friend said it's fun, but it's very simple and nothing special, really nothing special. By now I did some other things. I followed lots of more tutorials and I learned some Blender modeling. I modeled a car and by now it can drive. For me that was a huge success. I modeled a character and I programmed a character controller and used Cinemachine for a third-person camera, and yeah, now I have a third-person moving person, and that was a huge success too. Yeah, my little idea of this video is to show you my first project and maybe to search for ideas. Maybe you guys have some ideas of how we can improve this game or how we can make a new and better game out of this base. And yeah, maybe you can write down your suggestions in the comments and I will see what I can do. I'm also planning to do mobile touch input for this game, but I tried it already, but it failed hard. I have a new approach now, but I really don't know if it works. Yeah, so we will see if it works. Maybe I find some people who can help me, but we will see. My other projects I will showcase in another video or in other videos, and I hope you liked this video, and I hope if you are interested you subscribe to this channel. And that's it for now. I would love to see you in the next video, and see you there. Bye.